Xander's on teardown. He's got the distributor out. That's got some definitely oil coking going on. Look at that. But does it spin nice? Does it turn okay? Oh yeah. Not bad. Alright. It's got nice points and stuff in it. I know Ken's got a Pertronics for it. But that's a nice set of points. We'll set that to the side for you, and you can keep that in the glove boxes just in case. Oh, it's yucky inside, huh? We'll see. Next step, Xander's going to pull off these valve covers that somebody silicone bombed. Great. And probably do the water pump, thermostat housing, these brackets. We might get to the point where we pull the crank pulley off. I was thinking with your dipstick, Xander. Alright. We'll calm down. Knock it off. Alright. Moving on. Alright, so Xander's got the valve covers off. There's a little bit of oil coking and stuff going on. Not terrible. We've seen a lot worse inside some FEs. But let's look inside. Oh boy. Xander.
Yeah.
When I said we needed some Coke, it wasn't this time. Like, oh, jeez. Anyway. Good God. This thing's been hot. Really hot. And look at the silicone. Ready? Ugh. Look, it's what happens when people don't know how to straighten valve covers. You just silicone bomb them so they don't leak. Alright, put those up on the shelf for now. Throw that in the trash. Trash the other one. When you pull the water pump, just pull this fitting out. Because we don't necessarily 100% need it, but just pull it out because we hoard those things. And then that pump is Dunskies. It can go in the trash. Yeah, look at that. You can feel the end play in that. Yeah, that's not good. So we'll do that. So pull that off. Pull the fuel pump off. Pull the oil filter off. Throw it out. And pull the adapter off. And then we will probably maybe get to that timing cover before we get out of here. Thermostat too. Yeah, you'll have this mostly stripped down today.
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, so Xander's taking that fitting off, and I just torched the exhaust manifold bolts. Got them hot, hit them with deep creep. That one already got loose. Spin that one up. Do the one out good. Put it around. There you go. First one I did came off. Now we are putting headers on this car, so the good news is these exhaust manifolds, which are pitted, rusted, and tired, they can go directly to the scrap pile. So hopefully we don't have to do much drill and tap, and maybe even time certain like on Patrick's. Pushing down is a lot easier. Here, get it straight. Hold it square. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, it's moving. It's moving. It's doing it. All right, cool.